Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a video on how to create your first account on Paxful. So what you're going to do is enter your email in the box, then you have to repeat your email. You can choose your username and your password. So then it should say tips. Make the password at least 8 characters long. The longer the better. Longer passwords are harder for thieves to crack. Include numbers, capital letters, and symbols. Consider using a dollar or money instead of a S or a 1 instead of an L. Or including an and percent. But note that 1NGLE is not a good password. Password thieves are into this. But MF $J1RAVNG, short for my friend Sam Jones, is really a very nice guy, is an excellent password. So you should click a box to make a tick, and you should say, I agree to Paxful's terms of service and private and policy. So click the box to see if you're not a robot. So then it should show a tick. So then you can click the orange button that says create account and free wallet. Just click that, then you'll be done. So that's it for today. I hope I showed you how to create your first account on Paxful. To find more information about Paxful, go to the buybitcoinworldwide.com website and weusecoins.com. The links will be in the description.